Hey, welcome back to my another mechanical pencil review. This video will be my last mechanical pencil review for a while since I reviewed all of my mechanical pencils. So I'll compare all of my previous mechanical pencils with today's review pencil, which is Staedtler 925-35. Mine is the all black edition. The normal 925-35 is dark navy. If you want another color, 925-25 comes in silver, and the original, like I said, is coming in dark navy color. And there are also lots of limited edition colors like gold, champagne gold, green, red, and so on. There's bunch, so you won't have any problem finding the ones that you like. So first, the whole thing is in metal. The grip is knurled like Rotring or Pro Use 171. This is Rotring 600, and I think it's more on to the Rotring side. The Pro Use 171 has a smoother grip. So the height is a little bit smaller than the Pro Use or Graph 1000 and taller than the Rotring 600 and Smash. The weight is about 16.8 grams, which is quite good for writing. The center of the gravity is about in the middle. It's in between 7 and 7.5 centimeters, so slightly to the pipe side. But I would say this is fairly right in the middle. The balance is very good, like Graph 1000 or Smash. Yeah, it's a little bit heavier than the Graph 1000 or Smash. I would say Graph 1000 and the Staedtler 925 has the best balance. Rotring also has a good balance, but it's slightly on the heavy side. The Pro Use is a little bit off-centered. It's a little bit to the low side. The lid hardness indicator is in the middle, and we have to unscrew the barrel in order to change it. So I heard from someone saying the barrel and the grip tend to unscrew as we use it. That's because we're holding the grip, and while we use it, we roll the pencil as we write, so we can make a consistent sharp lid. So as we roll the pencil while grabbing the grip, the barrel will get unscrewed. And I'm not sure about this. I will check it a little bit later as I use it. The clip is, I would say, short. I don't like long clips like this because, like I said, as we use it, we usually roll the pencil, and this clip would be annoying as we roll it, and it keeps hitting our hand. So this length is my preferred length, I would say. The Pro Use, it will hit your hand, so I think this is a little bit too long. The gap on the knob area, there is a little bit of gap. It's not as much as the Pro Use 171, but definitely has some gap than the Graph 1000 or the Rotring. Rotring has actually no gap at all. Graph 1000 has a very little bit, but I would say this also has no gap. The Staedtler has a little bit of gap. The profile, the design is very pretty. Up to now, I like the Staedtler over the rest of these. I don't think it looks cooler than Rotring 600, but it's very good enough if I think about the price. Okay, so now let me play with this for a moment. Okay, so I've tested, and for me, it didn't try to get unscrewed. It didn't move at all, so that's a good thing. But it didn't get unscrewed because I didn't use it for a long time. All I used is just this, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna get unscrewed later or not. But for now, it is not moving, so that's a good thing. But the another thing is that when I release the lid, sometimes the lid doesn't come out. So I would say it's a little bit less consistent. This could be annoying to some people. I mean, for me, I can just live with it, but to some people, it could be annoying. But other than that, I think everything is fine. I like the weight. The balance is perfect, like Smash or Graph 1000. The price is also really good. The design is right below Rotring, I think. So it's very recommendable. Okay, so I hope you guys can buy your favorite mechanical pencil through my videos. And have a happy shopping, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.